Good morning. Let me tell you the story of the trumpeter who was taken as a prisoner. A trumpeter ventured too close to the enemy that he was captured by them. They were about to proceed to put him to death when he begged them to plead for mercy. I do not fight, and indeed I carry no weapon. I only carry this trumpet, and surely it cannot harm you. So why do you put me to death? Said the trumpeter. You may not fight yourself, but you encourage and guide your fellow men to fight. Words may be deeds. The moral lesson of the story: sometimes when you say a word, it can be translated or interpreted as a positive deed or a negative deed. So you have to be very careful about what you say. Say good words because they might be translated into good deeds. And make sure you do a calculated risk. Thank you very much.